Guys, I just came from the gym. As you can see, I'm still completely sweating and I walked up to my room in the middle of the workout because I just found something in the charts that I can't wait to show you. So now let's not talk too much, guys. Let's right into the charts. I will also give you a big update on my trades. As you guys know, I'm still in multi-million dollars worth of Bitcoin long positions, but that just changed right now. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. You cannot afford to miss out on any of this important updates here on the price action for Bitcoin. And also, guys, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads, and smash up a like on this video. Every single video of mine normally reaches 1,000 likes. So let's try to reach that today again. And as always, guys, like I already said, I won't only give you an update on my trades, but also for sure I will tell you exactly what my future trades will look like. As you can already see, guys, my 25 Bitcoin long position, you can see it down here. It's a 25 Bitcoin USDT settled long. And as you guys remember in my last video, this trade was in a combined profit of $330,000. And as you guys can see, although Bitcoin didn't dump, I already took around $120,000 of profits. That's why this position is now smaller, and also there is less unrealized profit because I already took around $100,000 out of this trade. But now let me show you why I did that, because that's the most relevant thing right now, guys, because you guys are probably wondering, hey, everything is looking so bullish, CryptoMo. Why are you now actually taking profits? And guys, I don't want to spoil it too much, but during this video, you will even find out that I opened a new trade. So guys, watch out for that one as well. So let's take a look first of all on the weekly timeframes, because I want to talk about something very, very interesting that I haven't talked about so far because it wasn't really relevant till this week. And I am actually talking about, and I have to pull this up here real quick separately when I'm opening here the MACD real quick. Boom. Let's just put it here in the chart. You can already see what is happening here on the MACD. If I'm pulling up the chart a little bit bigger, you can already see that we are right now having a bullish cross here on the MACD. And in the history of Bitcoin, as you guys can see, here we had a cross on the 9th of August and also here on the 19th of October. We had a bullish cross here on the MACD. And if we take a look what happened at these dates on the chart, let's take a look at the 9th of October, for example. I mean the 9th of October, let's take a look here. Boom, 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 boom. The 9th of August, I mean, 1 second. Boom, 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 boom. Where is it? It is exactly here. So here we saw this beautiful, right? This beautiful bullish MACD cross, and after that we pumped to a new all-time high. Let's take a look at the other date I just mentioned before. And I mean, for that one, it's also exactly the same, right? We had the bullish MACD cross, and I mean, we went from $10,000 to $60,000. So I think you can already see what happened in the past when the MACD had a bullish cross. But now you guys are probably asking yourself, so if this is so bullish, why did you actually take profits now? Guys, because in the history for Bitcoin, every single time the MACD crossed bullish, we have seen, not every single time, but most of the times, we have seen another small shakeout. And I know this doesn't look all too big here maybe in the first moment, but keep in mind, this here is on the weekly time frame. So even correcting down here from the 9th of August when we had the bullish cross, we still saw a dump afterwards from approximately $47,000 all the way down to the $39,000 level again. And that happened most of the time because I think the big players are using this bullish MACD cross maybe to trap a few more long positions with a higher leverage into the market to then liquidate them. And this is why I actually decided, guys, and not only because of that, but I'm going to show you also on the smaller time frame something very interesting. Not only because of that, but also because I am still in multi-million-dollar long positions, right? Even though I took some profits, I'm still in around $2 million worth of long positions. So I'm still very well set for a run up to the upside, but I wanted to take some profits. And actually, I also, like I promised, I'm going to tell you guys, I opened another short hedge position because as you guys know, we shorted this top over here. We went short here. I announced it live in a video. We went out everything live in videos at $35,000, 400K profit with a short. We shorted here again. 50K profit with a short. We shorted this level again, 30K profit with a short. Now, this is the first time, and every single time I have announced my short trades live. My short hedge trades I have announced in every single video live, completely transparent. And I can tell you now, once again, no financial advice, I just opened a short hedge position. I have to say this is the most risky short hedge position that I have opened so far. This is the most risky one. These ones we opened, they were a lot safer. So I can already tell you this short hedge position is the smallest one of all of my short hedge positions. But still, I took some of the $120,000 of profit, to be exact $20,000, and placed them into a short hedge position for the case that we are actually seeing history repeating itself, and we actually see a small last shakeout after the bullish MACD cross. Because I mean, Bitcoin can easily correct all the way down here to the $43,000, $44,000 level again. I mean, this is even very likely just to see a retest, right? And this is the reason why I wanted to take some profits now beforehand already, because these profits are also taken in crypto. So if Bitcoin continues to pump, these profits will also gain in value. So I'm really not missing out on anything. I'm just preparing myself for fake outs and also for traps that the big players, the market makers, and so on like to set into the market to liquidate high leveraged positions, no matter if they're short or long. This is the most effective way for the whales, the big players, the market makers, the exchanges to make money. So this is what we always have to keep in mind in our trading strategy. And that's why also I opened this short hedge position. Now, one interesting thing here also, guys, is I am still a little bit more bullish than bearish. This is also one important thing here to note, right? I'm still in long positions. My long positions are bigger than my short hedge trade. It's just a measure of caution that I'm taking here. And keeping in mind also, guys, we have a very bullish price out breakout target still, right? The bulls have this beautiful symmetrical triangle that they broke out now to the upside. I mean, we want to see a retest, right? But this has actually a very bullish price target of approximately $55,000. And the most interesting thing is, as you guys know, the Fibonacci retracement levels that are showing us at what time we have to expect a reversal. The most interesting thing here is that the Fibonacci retracement levels, so the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level to be exact, that's the Fibonacci retracement level we always keep an eye on to find out if a momentum move to the upside is actually a dead cat bounce or a real breakout to the upside. We also use this Fibonacci retracement levels to open all of our past short hedge positions here actually. And I have to say, guys, it is very interesting that the bulls, the final or the only bullish price target the bulls right now have is right up to the most important resistance of the bears. So what we are having here is actually a bullish breakout target to the upside. The bulls could, right, make it all the way up here, but the problem is that as soon as we are coming into the direction of this price target, bulls will take profit because that's where the breakout target for this trade is. But not only that, bears will start opening shorts because they are expecting or speculating that the 0.618 level will turn into resistance and will be another dead cat bounce for Bitcoin on the weekly and also on the daily time frame, which could result in a final big dump right all the way to the downside. So as long as we're not breaking the $55,000, guys, I can promise you I won't jump into 8-figure trades. I will have my $1-2 million worth of long positions open, but that's pretty much it. I won't do any like crazy $20 million trades like we did in the past run-ups from $30,000 to $60,000, $70,000. This is right now, in my opinion, not yet the time for that. I think we still need to wait a little bit longer before we can really be sure that this reversal is now very successful. Sorry guys that you have to see me now here all sweaty, but I wanted to make sure that this video is pushed out as soon as possible because a lot of people are so super bullish right now. Maybe they just opened high leverage long positions. And I have to tell you guys, it may work out right. From my personal point of view, from my personal opinion, no financial advice here, I'm personally opening a small hedge position just to be on the safe side here. It has worked out. The last 3 times we did it, it worked out perfectly. We didn't lose a single short. This is the most riskiest yet. But like I said, I mean, we made so many profits that it's definitely worth it to have a hedge right now in the case that this turns out to just be a big trap by the exchanges, market makers, and so on. But now, guys, we will see us in the next video. Till then, bye.